Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will provide you the important thing that how should you register for the JEE Main 2023. I hope that guys you are very well aware that JEE Main finally NTA have released on their official website about the JEE Main 2023. They have released a complete detail about various things such as the syllabus and all things. Okay. So today in this video I will talk about that how can you fill for the registration form. किस तरह से भाई registration form को भरना है. Okay. So first of all guys, simply you have to go to the official website, that is the jemain.nta.nic.in. Okay, and when you will come to that, then in the home section simply you have to click here at the candidate activity. यहाँ पर आपको simply click करना, that is the JEE Main 2023 session 1 application. Okay, so just you have to click here and click OK. So OK करने के बाद यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं that two sections are available. First is that steps to apply online. Second is only registered candidates sign in. Okay, so this is actually for the registered candidate. Okay, so first you have to do the registration. तो सबसे पहले भाई आपको registration करना पड़ेगा for session 1. Okay, so just you have to click on the new registration. Okay, and after that guys you have to follow all the instruction and you have to read very carefully. Okay, मैं आपको कुछ important point भी बताता हूँ that what are the important things that they mention. First, that you can apply for JEE Main 23 online only through the official website JEE Main, means you have to apply for the JEE Main official website too. Okay, and please ensure that your eligibility criteria laid down for the JEE Main, JEE Advanced, okay, for the participating state institution and all things. So you have to understand all things about what is the criteria and all things. आपको सब कुछ टर्म एंड कंडीशन पढ़ लेना. ओके, आफ्टर दैट आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं फी आपको कितना पेमेंट करना होगा फॉर द सबमिटिंग योर फॉर्म. ओके, so for paper 1 or B, BTech, General, EWS, OBC, NCL, male candidates have to submit 1000, female 800. Okay, and for SC, ST, PWD candidates, male को वही 500 and female 500. Okay, so these are term you have to pay. Okay, and for the candidates outside India, they have to fill they have to basically pay 5000. Okay, for the General, EWS, OBC. Okay, and for the female candidates 4000. So friend, this is the basically all the detail about the fee you have to pay. After that, important things you have to know that you can apply for both session 1 and session 2, but first you have to pay for the session 1. Okay, and these are the some steps that you have to follow. First is that step 1, registration form. So it is mandatory for every student to fill the registration form. After that you will be provided application number and password. Okay, so आपको simply रजिस्ट्रेशन करना होगा, उसके बाद आपको एक application number password मिलेगा जो कि आपको Gmail पे चला जाएगा. Okay, after that you have to give your all the credential. Okay, that is the application form credential with the all things you have to means basically submit. Okay, after that you have to basically submit the signature and that should be in JPG. और भाई साइज आप ध्यान रखिए 4 KB to 30 KB होना चाहिए. Okay, and passport size photograph 10 KB to 200 KB. Okay, this is all detail about the that's. Okay, and signature is also scanned and within 300 KB guys. Okay, so these are all things, and finally last step, that is the you have to pay the fee. Okay, and that I've already discussed about the payment you have to do. Okay, now important instruction about the password. So you have to give a strong password guys, and you have to be basically careful about the password. Okay, and password must be 8 to 13 character long. Password must have at least one uppercase and lowercase. यानी simply आप कोई आप name @123 or something आप दे दे तो अच्छा रहेगा. Okay, and finally you have to just click on I have downloaded the information bulletin and I have read all the instruction. Okay, so just after that click here to proceed. So भाई आप click here to proceed करेंगे, then a fresh form will be available. Okay, where you have to give your all the detail. First is that candidate name. Okay, suppose I am filling some candidate's name. Okay, and here they have written that candidate must write his or full name same as printed on the certificate marksheet of class 10th or equivalent examination. मीन्स क्लास 10th या क्लास 10th के इक्विवेलेंट जो नाम आपका है वही देना है. ओके, अगर आपका कोई अगर गलती है भाई तो आपको गलत नहीं देना. ओके, वट एवर द नेम दैट इज रिटन इन योर क्लास 10th एडमिट कार्ड और क्लास 10th मार्कशीट दैट यू हैव टू राइट गाइस. ओके, सपोज मैं एक कोई फॉर्म भर रहा हूँ राम कुमार. ओके, सो आई हैव सपोज रिटन नेम. ओके, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एज ए सैम्पल गाइस. ओके, फादर नेम आपको कुछ सपोज दे दे ABC. ओके, देन you have to give your the mother name. Okay, or you can also give your guardian name. Okay, after that very important guys, that janm tithi. Okay, that is the date of birth you have to give. Whatever the date of birth you have to click date, then month आपको click करना है, then year. Okay, so whatever the date of birth that you are applicable, you have to just click on that. After that you have to give the type of identification, means for the identification what is available with you, such as the PAN card, school ID card, passport, voter ID, ration card, बैंक पासबुक, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस. ओके, अगर आपका आधार कार्ड है देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन एनी अदर valid document. Okay, and after that you have to give the government identity number, any identity number you can give that, guys. Okay, then you have to give your basically address. Okay, so suppose I am giving some address. Okay, then आपको देना है भाई सब locality. Okay, then locality, that is where you are currently residing. Then country. Okay, suppose I am filling candidates for India, then I am just click on the India. Then state, whatever the state, suppose I am choosing the Bihar. Okay, then आपको district choose करना है, कौन सा district आप करना चाहते हो. Okay, so whatever the district you are currently, you have to just click on that. After that you have to give the pin code and all things. Then email ID, it is very important things, guys. email ID आपको बिल्कुल सही देना. Okay, and pin code is also must be right. Okay, suppose I am giving the pin code. Okay, after that आपको email ID देना, and email ID must be fill very carefully and that must be existing. आपको existence में रहना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि email ID है आपका उसका password नहीं पता, then you may face problem, guys. Okay, so suppose I am giving my email ID. Okay, so after giving my email ID I am just showing you. So suppose मैं अपना email ID दे रहा हूँ. Okay, gmail.com. I have filled up that. Then you have to just confirm it by again writing this. Okay, so suppose I am writing this again in this section, and that must be same, guys. आपको same रहना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि कोई गलत दे दे. Okay, so just I am again giving my detail. Okay, then you have to give your mobile number, guys. Okay, so I am suppose giving my mobile number, and after that मोबाइल नंबर आपको फिर से कंफर्म करना होगा. ओके, तो 70618671. I have given my mobile number. Then alternate contact number, this is optional, so you can also leave it that. Okay, अगर आपका permanent address भी same है, then you can click the same as permanent address, and if that is not same, then you have to refill that, guys. Okay, after that you have to click make a password. Okay, आपको एक password बनाना है. Suppose I am making the password, and that must be one capital letter and one small and alphanumeric some value you can take it. Suppose ram@123, gopal@123, any password you can take. Okay, so I've given the password. Then you have to click the security question. So suppose my security question is that what is your pet name or never pet name. नेवर पेट नेम भाई, अगर आप सपोज पासवर्ड भूल गए तो नेवर पेट नेम याद रखें. सपोज किटी मैंने रख दिया. ओके, then enter security, that is the case sensitive pin. Okay, 99 8 and 33W. Okay, after that you have to click on the submit. As gender I have forgotten that you have to click on the gender and all things. Okay, so I have checked the all detail. And password again you have to write. पासवर्ड आपको फिर से लिखना पड़ेगा. So I am giving the password, guys. Again saying, guys, password आपको याद रखना है. Okay, otherwise you will face problem. Then never pet name suppose I am giving. Okay, so Kitty I am given. Then just click the security pin, that is 99833 and W. That must be capital. After that just click on the submit. Security pin does not match the, please enter again. Okay, so I have to basically refresh the security pin. Okay, so again I have to give the password, guys. So friend, before submitting you have to basically give, please review the following information carefully, and if you like to change any information entered you may do so by pressing okay edit registration form. Suppose आपने कोई गलती कर दिया तो edit कर सकते हैं, otherwise you have to simply click on the submit and send OTP button. Okay, so again I am checking all the details that I have filled up. Okay, so suppose if you are facing some problem, suppose this is father name, actually this is not my father name, but I have just shown you for the purpose of that doing. Okay, so I am verified all things and all things are right. Okay? And after that you have to just click on that, yeah, I have verified all things, and mother's name, mobile number, date of birth, email ID. After that I agree and submit and send OTP. Okay, so a OTP will be sent for the getting the registration form. Okay, for submitting the registration form. Okay, via text message, through SMS to given mobile number. Okay, so mobile number पे आपका OTP आ जाएगा. I have got that OTP, guys. I'm just entering my OTP 758151. After that you have to just click on the submit form. Okay, so आपको फॉर्म को सबमिट कर देना होगा, and now that is submitted. Okay, After that guys, your registration JEE Main is complete. Your application form will remain incomplete till you fill the field of application and pay the fee. Okay, so आपको भाई ये कंप्लीट फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा और मुझे एक एप्लीकेशन नंबर मिल गया जो कि फाइनली मैं ये कॉपी कर लेता हूँ. ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट कॉपिंग इट and complete application form. Okay, so you can clearly get the data guys, that you have to first you have to give the personal detail, then Aadhaar detail, okay, exam and center detail, qualification detail, and all things, and all things are guys interrelated. Okay, so first I am just giving the personal detail. Okay, so this is the all things I am given. Now guardian name, suppose you have to give something. I am just showing for the purpose of showing guys. Okay, suppose Indian. Okay, then select state, which are the state that you are. Okay, so suppose I am the students of Bihar, so I am now clicking on the Bihar. Okay, so भाई बिहार मैंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया. देन कैटेगरी सपोज जनरल. ओके, एंड यदि आपको ये विकलांग मीन्स इफ यू आर द डिसेबल्ड कैंडिडेट देन यस और नो. सो आई एम नॉट डिसेबल्ड, सो जस्ट नो. आर यू डायबिटिक? नो. एंड निवास का जगह, प्लेस ऑफ रेसिडेंस, यू हैव टू फ्लिप अर्बन रूरल एनीथिंग. ओके, मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, एंड यू हैव टू गिव योर एनुअल इनकम, दैट इज़ योर फैमिली इनकम. आपका ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, आप अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछ के इसको अपलोड करें. ओके, देन यू हैव टू गिव दैट तैयारी का तरीका. दिस इज ऑल फॉर द नॉर्मल पर्पज, जनरल पर्पज. ओके, एंड देन मीडियम ऑफ स्कूलिंग, कौन सा मीडियम ऑफ स्कूल है. ओके, सपोज दिस इज द इंग्लिश मीडियम, सो आई एम जस्ट क्लिकिंग ऑन द इंग्लिश मीडियम. ओके, और हिंदी मीडियम तो हिंदी मीडियम आप क्लिक कर सकते हैं. ओके, आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू गिव द सिक्योरिटी पिन गाइस. आपको सिक्योरिटी पिन देना, दैट इज 35 U2, then capital Q, then 0. Okay, so I have given all the detail, and after that you have to again verify that guide. Again मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये purpose of showing दिखा रहा हूँ. okay, यहाँ कैटेगरी अगर आपका कुछ है OBC, EWS, then you have to click on that guy. Okay, so I am just giving the case sensitive pin again. Okay, because they are showing something error. Then click on save and next step. So are you want to submit the section? Yes, I want to submit. Then I click on that. Okay, they are saying that yeah, that only character A to Z is allowed. Okay, so I have given the mother name something other. Okay, so now it is fine, and again I am giving the case sensitive pin. आपको ये बहुत अच्छे से सबमिट करना होगा, अदरवाइज यू विल फेस प्रॉब्लम गाइस. ओके, आप देख सकते हैं मैं भी प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहा हूँ. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द सेव एंड नेक्स्ट. यस, आई वांट टू सबमिट, देन सबमिटेड. सो डू यू हैव आधार नंबर? क्या आपके पास आधार नंबर है? इफ यू विल सिलेक्ट यस, देन यू हैव टू सबमिट द आधार नंबर. इफ आई हैव नो, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक नो. ओके, so I'm just clicking on the yes and submit that. Okay, so are you want to submit, then you have to give your the means basically after that you have to give the Aadhaar detail, and that is compulsory if you have selected the Aadhaar detail. Okay, and if you don't want to give that Aadhaar number, means if you don't have Aadhaar number, then you have to click just no. Okay, so this is the guys all things I want to share with you. Okay, and that is just for the showing purpose I am showing. Okay, and after that you have to give the exam center detail. Okay, qualification detail, additional detail, emergency contact detail, and document finally you have to upload, and just click on the final submit button guys. So since I am doing for the showing purpose, so I haven't submitted the form. Okay, but these are the steps you have to follow guys. I hope video was informative to you. If you are facing doubt related to any part, anything, then feel free to ask guys. I will support as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope video was informative to you. Must share with your friends so they can get also about all these things. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.